Right, we're here at Install 2023 with Alastair Hamilton, a long-term friend and partner of Rinnai. Alastair, could you give us some idea about Hamilton's history and where you are right now?
Well, Hamilton started 53 years ago. It was my mother and father who started the business, originally in the electrical television rental business. During the 70s, they became the Calor gas outlet for a town that we're from in Bangor, Northern Ireland. And from that, it has grown into a distribution business. And we supply everything for the gas installer, from gas equipment, right through to water heaters.
What do you think especially are your strengths as a concern?
We know the business, we understand our customers, we know what they want, we try to deliver the products that they want with the service and the quality that they require.
Okay. And can you give us an idea about your links with Calor and where you think the future goes?
Yeah, historically I've known Calor since 1976, so I heard it at the dinner table. But 12 years ago, Calor bought 50% of Hamilton's and became a shareholder. And our goal was to find new and innovative appliances that could be powered by LPG, laterally bio-LPG, and now RDME.
And of course, Calor are part of a much bigger pan-European concern.
Yeah. Calor are part of SHV, which is the largest LPG company in the world.
In the world?
In the
wow.
world.
Wow.
Operating in nearly 32 countries now.
Moving on a little bit from and looking to the future, how do you view bio-LPG and DME? What's your view on that?
Well, I think it's important that Calor are moving towards new man-made fuels. Bio-LPG is the first stepping stone towards RDME, and then hopefully on some other gases. Yeah. It's important about sustainability and obviously green and clean.
Yeah. And are you optimistic for the future with those products?
Yeah, I think it's the future.
Okay. So you've been 20 years in partnership with Rinnai. What do you think's been the mainstay of that long-term relationship? Because it's not the norm in business. Maybe 5 years, 7 years, 20 years is a long time.
It is a long time, but I think it's a lot of it is down to the personal interaction between myself and all the people that have worked through Rinnai over the years. Yeah. You know, we've become friends as opposed to just business partners. Yeah.
Is that how you see your own customers as well?
Yeah, I do. I mean, it's. I think it's very important that you'll be able to relate to your customer. Yeah. But in terms of Rinnai, we understand their business, they understand our business. They're a very innovative company. They're always ahead of the curve. They're and always, way in front of everybody else. And we, like any relationship, we've had our ups and downs. Like any good marriage, we've had our ups and downs. But we've always been able to figure it out. And as we've worked, become closer and closer together, it's been mutually beneficial for both our businesses.
Okay. Well, thank you. And I think we have a little bit of a presentation for you, Alastair. Which is a little bit of a thank you, a little bit of a memento.
Thank you very much.
Go on, Chris, do you want to present?
For 20 years of partnership, 20 years of friendship, 20 years of getting on each other's nerves sometimes. Cheers, Matty.
Thanks very much, Chris.
Oh, you're welcome.
That's greatly appreciated.
No, thank you.
Fruit basket would have been nice.
And that's,
it was either that or a jacket. I was trying to find a stand-on jacket.
Pleased to meet you.
We will follow this up with